Okay, we want to look at this topic as session, web session, as well as web session management. Now, in telecommunication, alright, like network, okay, a session is actually a series of interaction between two communication endpoints that occur during the span of a single connection. This is its definition. But in a network environment, this can be referred to as a client-server interaction because you have your laptop or your PC as the client connected over the network and served by the server. And a typical session could occur when you log in until you log off the system, or from the time you are connected to the server until you disconnect from the server itself. Now, this particular situation poses a particular problem to the internet. Now, if I will take a look at a quick history of the internet, the actual history of the internet, that it is not actually designed for e-commerce, online shopping. It is not designed for cloud computing or even web application. But it was never originally designed for any of this. Okay, it is only meant to display very static, boring looking web pages. Text-based, that's it. You can't do any of those fancy stuff that we have today. But if the internet evolved to what it is today, alright, with so many web browsers connecting to web server, right, running all your e-commerce, digital banking, online banking, cloud computings, alright, web application of any form, it need to handle all these sessions of actions as well as requests that is posed to the web server. Alright, so that is where the web session comes in. Okay, every user, alright, every particular user, okay, once they are logged in, they are creating a web session to the web server. But there are so many users connecting at the same time to the web server. Okay, and to make things worse, every single user is actually making multiple requests, action and transaction. Alright, so the server, on the server end, the server have to be able to manage all these web sessions and tie all the related action to a particular single user so that it knows, alright, this action belongs to which user. This is known as web session management. And if in the event that there is a mistake, alright, in the management, if there's a mismanagement of the web session, this is known as a broken web session management.